Hello, welcome back guys. Today in this tutorial we are going to make a cartoon effect on this image. So as you can see the thumbnail, so you have a better idea what we are going to work. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, just make the duplicate layer of the background layer we have. So we can get a duplicate like copy on which we are going to work. Just rename it as a copy and rename it as you want. And now we are going to remove the background. We have two options available. We can do like use the quick selection tool to remove the background manually, right? If you choose the quick selection tool and choose a complete body and go to the selection mask and just do it manually. Okay, so we are at the moment we are going to save the time. I'm just going to click on remove background. This option is only available in Photoshop CC 2021. All right, so just wait for a moment. Let me just complete the progress. All right, it's just remove the background, and now you can see the layer mask is now just created. So here are some mistakes because it's artificially done. So what we are gonna do, we can I'm just holding the control key, and by clicking on the right click of the mouse, first of all I'm just going to rename the layer to the model. So I remember on which layer I'm going to work. First of all, we are going to increase the brightness of the layer and now contrast as well to 30 brightness and 15 contrast the values. Alright, so now I'm going to select the model layer, and now I'm going to filter gallery option, and just wait for a moment. Let me zoom out the picture. Alright, I'm now select the poster edges filter, and edge thickness is 2, edge intensity is 2, and posterization is number 4, and click on OK. It will apply some like contrastic image, like a contrastic effect on the image, as you can see. Now select the copy layer, okay, and just make the copy of that layer again. And sorry for that, just to delete this layer, the layer I just created, and just make the copy of model layer, because in case I just make a mistake and there's no recovery chance, so I just it's like I'm making a recovery. So just make the model copy, all right, on which I'm going to work now. Okay, now as you can see there is the picture become like it's made by the pencil. Now go to the filter option, other, and high pass. Okay, and make the value according to the preview. Just radius is 10, and click on OK, and just change the filter to overlay or soft light if it is better. So go to the soft light or overlay. I'm just at the moment I'm going to overlay option, and now I'm going to filter, stylize, and diffuse. Alright, at this moment your option will be normal, as I already clicked on anisotropic, so it's already checked at anisotropic. I'm just waiting. It depends on the system compatibility, so I have to wait for some moments so that the picture loads. Just give me a second please. Yeah, the picture is just loaded, so you can see I'm just going to click on first of all normal, so you can see what it was before, and now I'm going to click on anisotropic. Alright, so you can see it will become like more smooth lines and all that stuff you can see easily. Now click on OK. Now you can see if I zoom in the picture, and you can see yeah, you can easily see the what happened to the picture. Now click on the model layer, okay, the model copy, okay, and make the copy of that layer again. So I'm just going to unhide the beneath layer, and I'm now going to work on that layer, that the layer that I just unhided. It's like a recovery layer. Okay, in case I just do something mistakes, so I can And now I'm going to go to the filter, noise, and I'll do it later. I'm going to stylize or maybe sharpen, unsharpen the mask. Okay, choose the values of threshold, radius, and amount as you see the more smoothness in the picture. Okay, click on OK now, and just wait for a second. Now again go to the filter, go to the noise and reduce noise. Click on reduce noise option and just wait for a few seconds, and just change the values of sharpen details. No, don't do like more amount in sharpen details, because it will make very much contrast in image, so the image will not look real and like become more contrast. All right, as you can see the picture is become like on the face there is a main door, so I'm going to select the eraser tool, and I'm just going to erase and remove something, so that it becomes like more clear. And I'm just change the opacity as well, but it's not going to work. The reason is that I choose the wrong layer. I have to choose another layer, so the eraser tool apply something. Okay, so let me check. First of all, yep, nothing is happening. There is a small effect, you can see small effect is applying, not a big. So I'm going to select the model layer, and now you can see it's going to apply. I'm going to reduce the opacity so that according to my taste I reduce the like you can say reduce the noise on the face and making like a little bit smooth, so that it becomes like a realistic cartoonish effect, not like become more completely cartoonic. It's just like the like a realistic cartoonish effect. All right, yeah, now I'm going to apply the threshold. Okay, and I'm going to change the light to the soft light. Okay, and now I'm going to decrease the opacity to like 25, or when it looks like completely matched to the like the layer, like when it looks like now you can see it's like more beautiful now, and it's completely look like more realistic cartoonish effect. Okay, just make the group, select all layers and Ctrl plus G to group the layers, and just to change the lights and check it's like soft light, is a hard light, and overlay. We have three options available. I'm going to select the soft light, and yep, so now you can see there's a difference. I'm going to zoom out and zoom in the details so you can see better. And if I change the values of threshold again, like more deeper, around like 135, like 160, then again 180. At this moment it's 162. Again going to change light to the soft light, like the filter to the soft light, and decrease the opacity again. So now you can see it become more beautiful now. Alright, so yep, yeah, that's nice. So I'm just going to select both layers, Ctrl plus C to group the layers. Now you can see it's like quite better difference between the original layer and the cartoonish affected layer that on that layer we worked on. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, if you think I deserve the like, I deserve the like on this video, so make sure to like this video and share to your friends and family members, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching this.